The rear cargo area of your vehicle has a number of great features for travel and storage. The load floor itself is designed to hold a maximum load of 187 pounds, or 84 kilograms, and it will illuminate once the lift gate is opened. You'll find additional storage by lifting up on the lower storage lid handle. If equipped, your vehicle comes with a foldable cargo area cover. This provides extra privacy for the interior of the vehicle. To cover your cargo area, unfold the cover using a twisting motion. Then, hook the straps to the inside posts near the outboard rear head restraints on each side. Now, insert the pins on the ends of the cover into the slots on each side of the hatch. When it's time to remove and store the cover, follow these simple steps. First, reverse the installation steps. With the cover removed, place a hand on each of the short sides of the cover. Now twist the cover twice and push the twisted cover inward. The cover will remain folded for storage. Your vehicle also has tie-down hooks located on the cargo area sides. These should be used to safely secure loads when the vehicle is moving. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.